You have to have a card
center.
to drink the Starbucks fall drinks that cost $12.99 for a small, right? Hey, good morning to you guys. I'm not calling out Starbucks. I'm about to go get a coffee right after the show ends, to be honest with y'all. Fall officially arrives on Sunday. Can you believe it? It's the fall equinox, the point at which the sun is directly over the equator as the Earth tilts further away from the sun, the northern hemisphere. We have almost exactly 12 hours of sunlight. The days get shorter by 2 minutes per day right now. So the sun will start to set earlier and earlier as we head into October. In terms of your pumpkin spice forecast, it's still summer. I would go with a iced coffee today. 83 degrees under sunny skies when you eat lunch. We will top out at 90, perhaps 91, not even ruling out 92. And millions of Americans are feeling this late summer heat wave. Take a look at this. Midwest seeing upper 90s. Dallas will hit 100 today. This is all due to a very summer-like pattern. It's an upper level high pressure system. Under high pressure, we kind of just think about it as like a pot, a top on top of a boiling pot of water. Just traps all the heat in the low levels of the atmosphere. And as this high slides east closer to us, it's going to warm us up through the weekend. So it will be a weekend to spend some time at the lake or at the pool. We'll be in the upper 80s, even in the mountains. Atlanta will hit 90 degrees, 91 on Saturday, 92 on Sunday, which is the first day of fall. The humidity will also increase throughout the weekend. So certainly summer going out with a bang. We're looking at a string of 4 days above 90. I'm not even ruling out hitting 90 on Tuesday. It's not really until the middle of next week that we start to cool off. And that's not good news for our drought. Okay, it's been very dry and hot over the last month. Now, this is the updated drought monitor that we got yesterday. All of Metro Atlanta is in a moderate drought, and the mountains are now in a severe drought, which does not bode well for our fall color. If we do not get some decent rain in the next few weeks and the leaves start to change in a month, they're pretty much going to change in a few weeks and fall off the trees. So we need the rain. We're not going to see much of it. Next best chance of rain is Wednesday, only a low 20% chance, but there's hope. We could get some good rain from what may be a tropical system. This is next week. All eyes are on the Caribbean and the Gulf of Mexico. National Hurricane Center is going to watch an area of low pressure, which could become a tropical storm, perhaps even a hurricane. I'll tell you, a strong hurricane is looking less likely, but the strength, the timing, and even the impact it will have here in Georgia, still really up in the air. There's more questions than answers. This potentially, if it does bring us rain, that would be at the end of next week and into next weekend, and that's something that we're going to be watching very closely for you. Here's your 7-day forecast. Not a single first alert weather day, which just means really nice weather. It is going to be hot through the weekend into next week. Again, we'll start to see that heat break down with a small rain chance towards the end of next week. First alert meteorologist Ronnie Harris is here now. Ronnie, what's your weekend plans?
My weekend plans are to build in some pool time because of those nice